So after you've made your home page, now you're going to create links and pages. So I'm going to come back to the pages area. I'm going to create a new page. And let's say we're going to make our syllabus. So then I would get this page ready. Right, save it, at least save it. You don't have to fill out the whole page, but at least save it. Make sure you have the right name that you're going to keep using. Click on View All Pages again. Now start with your home page since that's where we want the link. I'm going to edit, but we go to syllabus. I'm going to highlight the word syllabus because that's what I need the link. And I'm going to come to pages, find the page I created. Just click it, it automatically links it there. I can see that's a new link. If I wanted to add some background color, I can. Oops, that does not look cute. Remember to press the accessibility check. And there you go. Remember, there are ways to add buttons, but you don't need to do that for this assignment. I will give you the resources if you want to, but a simple link will suffice for this assignment. And so now we have a link, and when I click it, it will take me to that page. You probably want to have a button somewhere to go back to the home page or click next. The next automatically appears if you're doing a module, but since we're just making pages, the module is not an option. But if you have your own Canvas shell, then you can create modules and the next button automatically appears.